This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 2nd of January, 2019. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Michael Groff. A very cold start to the year, and then temperatures are going to start that warming trend finally tomorrow. That'll continue into the weekend. The clouds roll in. Do we have any chances of rain? We'll talk about all of it first. The almanac from yesterday, New Year's Day, a high of 51 degrees, the low 38. And we've reset the rainfall gauge for the year. Let's see how much we can get. We finished 2018 more than an inch above normal. Outside right now, here at 6:15 a.m., it is quite literally freezing out there. 32 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 27, humidity 80%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 26, the cool spot on this map at Thompson Peak. A few of the neighborhood gauges going as low as 24 degrees this morning. It is 30 right now here in Arcadia. All right, around the country, it's pretty cold out here in the west, below zero in parts of northern Arizona, and that extends north and eastward through the Rockies, the northern plains, very cold, but the warmth is in the southeast. It's in the 50s, 60s, even some 70s parts of Florida. The upper air look, a big cold low here over the southwest, and that's going to hold on for one more day, so it'll stay chilly once again, and then that'll be moving off to the east. The watch warning map, we still have a freeze warning in effect through 9 a.m. this morning, another one tonight, and then through tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., and then that'll get out of here. Elsewhere, flash flood watches, parts of the Texas Gulf Coast extending east from there. Dense fog advisories for parts of the southeast, including much of Florida. And the convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. Precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC amounts somewhere between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch for us here in the valley. Somewhat heavier totals in the favored upslope areas. And we'll get into the details of our weather now as we look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our cold low here over the southwest. A ridge is behind it that'll be building in. So down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies and cool. Highs low 50s. Tonight, clear and cold again. Lows mid-20s in the cold spots. Low 30s for us here in the mid-city. Keep those plants covered up. And then tomorrow, a cold start to the day, but then we'll warm up into the mid, maybe even upper 50s in the afternoon with sunny skies. Mostly sunny on Friday. Highs low 60s. Saturday, the clouds start to increase out ahead of a developing Pacific weather system along the west coast. High temperatures mid-60s. Then Sunday. Now, the models have backed off on how aggressive they are with the moisture here with this system coming on through, but still looks like kind of a mostly cloudy day. A pretty good chance of showers. I've got a 50% chance penciled in for now for Sunday. And high temperatures upper 50s or so. And rainfall amounts, it's still a little early to call. The WPC still is a little bit more aggressive. They've got higher totals, but some of the models are coming down to between about 1/4 and 1/2 inch for us here in the valley. We'll see. We'll get the timing and intensity and a lot of those details ironed out as we get closer to the weekend. Monday, a slight chance of showers holds on, but then that system gets out of here. High temperatures back in the low 60s with partly cloudy skies, mostly sunny on Tuesday. Maybe just a few high clouds, and high temperatures stay somewhere in the low 60s, maybe mid-60s. And then here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 9th of January. Ridging off to our east, another trough along the west coast, and that could play a role in our weather late next week. Southwest flow, clouds increase, highs mid-60s, upper 60s. Here's Thursday. This looks like it might be unsettled if this verifies, but we're still more than a week out, so there's a lot that is likely to change between now and then. But at face value, yeah, that looks wet for much of the southwest, a pretty decent rain event. And here's the end of the period. This is Friday, the 11th. If that verifies, the weather pattern still looks active out here across the southwest with another fairly deep low diving down off of the west coast. And so clouds and maybe some showers still around. Let's check out those temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Yes, the warming trend into the weekend, a little cooler by Sunday, Monday, and then we'll warm it up again. High temperatures look to get back to at or maybe even a couple of times here above average, but we may still be in an active weather pattern. We'll see. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And of course, your comments, questions, suggestions, all of your feedback, always encouraged and appreciated as well. Thanks so much for watching. You guys be safe out there. Have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.